Onion salt is one of those really easy items to make that is so much less expensive, and it makes it so that you know exactly what is in your food. So I start out with 3 cups worth of dehydrated onions. If you need to see how to dehydrate your own onions, go ahead and take a look at my link below. And I'll place this in my blender. You could also use a food processor for this, but I really like to use the Vitamix. And then I'll add 9 tablespoons of salt. Now 9 tablespoons of salt is the same as 1/2 of a cup plus 1 tablespoon. You can really do any kind of salt for this. My favorite is the pink Himalayan salt, so that's what I'll be doing today. Now I'll blend it starting on a low setting, and I'll gradually turn up the speed until I can see that all of my onion bits have been made into tiny bits of powder that are the exact size that I want. Now I'll take my onion salt and I'll add it to my airtight container. I like to use a canning funnel for this because it makes it a little bit easier to get it into my jar, but you could do it with anything that was airtight. You could use Tupperware. I kind of prefer to avoid plastic if I can, but it's your choice. And then I place on my airtight lid and I'll label it and date it so that I remember exactly what it was, because that's the worst experience, to go in your spice cupboard and think, I think I remember what that was, but not be 100% sure. And that happens far too frequently when you don't label it. And you can see that it makes almost 1 pint worth of onion salt, which you can add to anything that you would add onions and salt to.